Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay funding pips with debit card. So first of all, you need to come here on fundingpips.com. You can also use the link that is given in the description if you want to get 20% discount on your purchase. So over here on funding pips, you need to simply just scroll down and select the plan that you want to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy the one step flex account, and the size of the plan you need to select. So after selecting it, you just have to simply scroll down and click on the option of buy now. So when you are here inside the card section of yours, you are going to see a bunch of different payment methods. Now in the coupon code section, you can just simply use the coupon code that is given in the description in order to get 20% discount. Now over here, simply select the option of credit and the debit card, and then simply agree to the terms and conditions. Then you just have to simply provide your card details over here and click on the option of pay. On the next page, you just have to do nothing but to just simply conclude the payment via the OTP, which will be sent on your phone number, which is linked to your card. And this way basically you can make the payment and use your debit card for that. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.